I've been told that cleaning pools is a pain in the butt. You got dirt, bugs, sand, leaves, anything that flies in the air can end up in your pool. And if you don't want to do it, you have to pay somebody $bucks to come and do it. Micro to the rescue, but not anymore because they say that this robot here, the Diver A10 from Mova, can do it for you. And they say it can clean the bottom of your pool, it can climb the walls, scrub the water line, and pick up leaves and dirt. No hoses, no cords, just a robot. Today I'm gonna open it up and show you what's in the box. First thing is a quick start guide. Love these, just makes the whole setup process so much faster. Owner's manual, a hook, power adapter, a filter. Here's the robot. First off, you have this handle, which is nice, you can carry it around. Oh yeah, there we go. And it's really not that heavy. I like the way this looks. You got a glossy finish, basically just some standard plastic around the back end. Got a pretty sturdy handle. This is the track design. Track here. Then you got these two spinny looking things that actually push in on each side. That's gonna help to get around the different tight areas of the pool. On the other side, you got the same thing, except those are stationary. In the back, you have these blue paddles. They're gonna spin, and that's what's gonna clean the walls and the base of your pool. Oh, this pops open, and there's your filter. So when it collects all the junk and crap, you can open that up, dump it out, wash it, snap it together, and put it back in. Close that down. In the front is a charge port. Let's just plug this in real quick to activate the device. There we go. This is pretty much like a robot vacuum. All you have to do is just take this, drop it in your pool, hit the power button, and it starts going to work. And there's a sensor on it that makes sure it doesn't clean the same area twice. There's two buttons up top, a power button, and then a mode button. There's 3 modes, 1, 2, 3. This type of robot is something that's going to sink down to the very bottom of the pool. They have some that float, others that sink. This is a sinker, and it can filter 6,000 gallons of water per hour. All of the crap that it collects in the pool is gonna end up right in there. And that's gonna be dirt, bugs, leaves, anything that gets in your pool and sinks to the bottom. Got about a 2 to 3 hour recharge time. Once fully charged, it can run for 3 hours. Pools are just starting to open up here in Utah, so when they do, I'm gonna take this, gonna drop it in, show you everything it can do, see if we can collect some gunk right in there, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.